Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ever feel like you're doing everything right, eating healthy, working out, cutting calories, but the scale refuses to budge? If this sounds familiar, the culprit might not be your effort, but chronic inflammation sneaking into your body through your diet. The good news? There's one simple anti-inflammatory diet rule that can transform your body, energy, and overall health. Eat more whole, unprocessed foods, and ditch the ultra-processed ones. Sounds too simple to be true? Let's break it down and see why this one change can be a total game changer for your weight loss journey. First off, what is inflammation and why should you care? Inflammation isn't always bad. It's your body's natural response to injury or infection. But when it becomes chronic due to a poor diet, stress, or lack of sleep, it turns into a silent villain that sabotages weight loss, messes with hormones, and leaves you feeling sluggish. Some common signs of chronic inflammation include constant bloating or digestive issues, unexplained weight gain, brain fog and fatigue, joint pain, and skin breakouts. The biggest trigger? Ultra-processed foods. So, here's our one anti-inflammatory diet rule. Ditch ultra-processed foods. These are the ones that come in flashy packages with a never-ending ingredient list, most of which sound like they belong in a chemistry lab. Think sugary cereals, soda and energy drinks, store-bought baked goods, fast food and frozen meals, and artificially flavored snacks. These foods fuel inflammation, spike blood sugar levels, and cause hormonal imbalances that make weight loss nearly impossible. Instead, opt for whole, real foods. Think fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu, whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats, and healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. This one swap alone can reduce bloating, boost metabolism, and help you shed stubborn weight faster than you think. Let's talk about how this simple rule transforms your body and health. 1. Say goodbye to sugar cravings. Processed foods are loaded with hidden sugars which cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, leading to endless cravings. Whole foods, on the other hand, keep blood sugar stable and reduce cravings naturally. 1. Fire up your metabolism. Whole foods require more energy to digest and absorb, increasing your metabolic rate. Plus, they provide the essential nutrients your body needs to function at its best. 1. Improve gut health and digestion. A happy gut equals a happy metabolism. Whole foods are rich in fiber, which supports gut health, improves digestion, and reduces bloating. 1. Reduce water retention and puffiness. Processed foods are loaded with excess sodium and preservatives, which cause water retention. When you eat real food, you'll notice your face and body looking slimmer almost instantly. Now, how do you implement this rule in your daily life without feeling deprived? 1. Stock your kitchen with whole foods. Swap white bread for whole grain options. Replace sodas with infused water or herbal teas. Keep fresh fruits and nuts handy for snacks. 1. Make simple, delicious swaps. Instead of sugary cereal, try oatmeal with berries and cinnamon. Replace store-bought salad dressing with olive oil and lemon juice. Swap chips for air-popped popcorn with a sprinkle of sea salt. 1. Plan ahead to avoid traps. Meal prep to avoid last-minute junk food temptations. Read ingredient labels and avoid anything with a long list of additives. When dining out, choose grilled or roasted options over fried foods. Let's hear a success story. Emma, a busy 32-year-old mom, struggled with weight loss despite following strict diets. After ditching ultra-processed foods and focusing on whole foods, she lost 20 pounds in just 3 months without starving herself. Her bloating disappeared, her energy soared, and for the first time in years, she felt in control of her body. Her secret? Sticking to this one rule consistently. Final thoughts, small changes, big results. Weight loss doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the simplest changes bring the biggest results. By cutting out ultra-processed foods and focusing on real whole foods, you'll not only lose weight but also feel more energized, confident, and in control of your health. Your turn. What's one processed food you're ready to swap today? Drop a comment below and let's support each other on this journey. And don't forget to follow for more simple, effective weight loss tips. Thank you so much for watching.